Alright, good morning folks, Chess here with Southern Reels, and I'm out here at this bridge this morning, and I recently had some luck with a Zebco fishing pole catching some pretty nice sized sheep's head. And I was like, I wonder how far I can carry this little trend. So I dug out my daughter's little 202 Zebco here, a little Spincast reel. This thing hadn't been used in years. She kind of grew out of the sport, unfortunately, but I was going to give it a shot this morning to see if we could catch a big sheep's head on this. I think that would be hilarious. So still waiting on some friends to get out here. I'm gonna drop this down and give it a shot. Feels like we're getting a bite. Come on, take it, baby. Oh, there we go. Got one. Got one. That one. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do much with him. Oh. On up here. Land this guy without breaking this pole. The pink 202 might get it done. Oh gosh. Oh, come on up here. I think I have it. I think I got him. Oh, maybe not. Oh. Fight him when he ain't running. Come on up, baby. What we got? 202 getting her done. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. That's definitely nice. Oh. Oh. Don't break. I saw it. That's a trophy. That's a trophy. Oh. Oh my God, I love it. Oh. Look at that on the 202, y'all. They said it couldn't be done. Hey, easy guy. Easy guy. Easy. I know you're mad. That's embarrassing. That is a big sheep's head, y'all. Alright, y'all. That was unreal. That's an unreal fight on that little pole. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's a big boy. Look, my net's flossing him. That is a big sheep's head. That's crazy. Let's see what this dude is. Definitely a citation. Definitely. The heel of my foot was right in his mouth. Don't want that. Definitely don't want to get anything in that mouth. He is 25 3/4. Yeah, let's say 25 1/2. Oh, that is a monster fish, y'all. There you go, y'all. 25 1/2 inch sheep's head on the Zebco 202. My daughter's riding reel. A pink one, no less. I love it, man. I love it. These fish are so much fun. Thank you, buddy.
Was it harder on that one or the other one?
Harder on this one for sure.
Was it pulled, you didn't set the drag on that thing?
Yeah, I haven't locked all the way down.
Was it pulling it out still?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, that's not. That's sick.
Well, there you go, folks. A little Zebco 202 got her done. 25 1/2 inch sheep's head, 15-pound braid on a Get Wet Lures, 1/2 ounce jig head made by Anthony B. up at Oceans East. See, you don't need a big fancy rod and reel. I got her on a girl Spincast. Peace out, y'all. Thanks for watching.